Hello, and welcome to another video for Mindful Eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. My name is Miss Carla Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a vegan stew, but with red lentils. And this stew can be served with rice. It can be served on its own. And you can serve it basically whatever it is you want. So I've got some of the ingredients already in the pot already. We've got some diced pumpkin or squash, some onions, and a garlic cube. Now the garlic cube has already disintegrated in the pot, but what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to turn on the stove and we are going to put the heat on. I think 6 is okay. I might reduce it to 5. And we are now going to add the red lentils. Now for myself, I normally do things by guess and average. So what I'm going to do, I would say this is roughly about, let's say, 3 cups of lentils here. Because you know lentils, they expand as you cook them. Then we are going to add half a tin, so let's say maybe about half a cup of the coconut milk. And then we are going to basically add some salt and pepper. I'm going to add, it depends on how you want it. Now this can also be done with any type of lentils. It could be red beans, it could be peas as well, whatever you want. So this is about maybe, let's say, 2 tablespoons. And then what I'm going to add somewhere as well is some water. Now you can add your other herbs and seasonings in here as well. You can add some coriander. You can add some chopped parsley. You know, you can add so much to this stew, and we're going to basically let it reduce down, and we're going to see the finished product later on. So now the pot has just gone on. It's just going to cook. It's going to reduce, and once that stew is finished, I'm going to show you how we're going to serve it afterwards. Here we are, welcome back. This is the finished product. Now, like I said, this is a vegetarian based dish and also vegan as well. And here we have the stew. It's reduced down into, of course, I use lentils, and it's reduced down into this. Obviously, the pumpkin as well has also broken down as well. And here we have it. I've garnished it with some cherry tomatoes and a bit of oil. You can have this with rice. You can have this with a type of naan bread as well. And obviously, if you are vegan and vegetarian, this would be your protein. This would be your protein, because obviously if you are vegan or vegetarian, you need to have a protein along with your other vitamins as well. So this would be your protein base, your rice would be your carbohydrate, and obviously you have your other dishes served on the side. This is something that I prepared today. I hope this video was intriguing and also informative for someone. Please stay tuned for more videos from Mindful Eating. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please visit my channel, and thank you for listening, and thank you for watching, and please have a very good day.